Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You're watching Technoxity. So guys, make sure to watch this video completely because in this video we are going to discuss about the budget YouTube setup. We are going to talk about the camera, tripod, lighting, microphone, backdrop, and everything. So guys, make sure to watch this video completely and ignore my hairstyle. Let's roll the intro. So alright guys, first of all, let's get started and talk about the camera. Guys, if you are just starting up and this video is for beginners, so when you are starting up, you guys can just use your mobile phone camera, and you're getting really amazing cameras in mobile phones below 10,000 as well. So guys, anybody who's planning to have a YouTube channel might already have a mobile phone, so you need not invest into a camera and rather concentrate on your content. So guys, the camera is solved. So next comes the microphone. So guys, as you can see, the microphone I'm using over here, this is the microphone, and it costed me around 180 rupees. And if I can show you the other microphone which I used, okay, that's not here, and I had kept it in the other room. So that didn't have a 3.5 mm jack, but then it costed me around 250. So don't have to buy that. You guys can go into the link in the description and purchase this one. This is around 180 and has a 3.5 mm jack. And if I can remove and show you, I don't know if the video gets cut. This is the 3.5 mm jack, if you guys can see that. And let me try to focus it. No, I can't focus it on that because I kept the face detection on. And this is the 3.5 mm jack, and let me put it back. And this is the microphone I'm using, and you guys can go for this one. And if you want to upgrade, you can go for the Boya M1, and later you guys can go for Rode microphones. And for the beginning, just purchase this one and this will get your job done. So guys, next comes the lighting. So now I'm using the flash from my mobile phone as well as a light on the wall opposite to me, and both of them work well. And if you guys want a softbox or a ring light, you guys can go for a ring light that will cost you around 1500 or so if it is an 18-inch one. But then if you go for a softbox and do a DIY project at home, you guys will need to buy PVC pipes, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube to teach you how to make a DIY softbox. I used to use one, but then that's broken now, and I am just using the flash and lighting at home, and that's getting my job done. And guys, if you want to buy PVC, or if you have PVC, then it will be really cheap, and you guys can make one at home. You guys can see other tutorials on YouTube that will help you make a softbox easily at home. And guys, talking about the tripod, guys, there are 2 to 3 types, but then the cheaper ones are really lightweight and get damaged really soon. So I don't prefer that 400 rupees one that's available on Amazon. Head over to Amazon Basics and use the one which I am using. That's Amazon Basics tripod that costed me around 700, but then I don't know the price now. I purchased it a year or 2 years ago, but then it costed me around 200 at that time. And now there are other tripods available that they are cheap, 400 rupees, but then they get damaged. They are made up of plastic and really lightweight, and you guys can just twist them like this, and that will not help you in the long run. So purchase this one. This is of aluminum, and it's not that lightweight, it's quite sturdy. And talking about the backdrop, guys, you guys can use a wall like this, or if you guys have seen the previous videos of mine, there was green screen videos, then a black screen, and you guys can purchase them. That will be available for some 200 to 300 rupees. And I prefer this one instead of black screen, because the shirt color is also black, and gets mixed up, and I don't have 3-point lighting, so that will not help me have the backdrop away in the video. If you are into editing, you will get to understand this, or else just ignore this stuff. And guys, a backdrop of plain wall, or if you guys can buy it. And lighting and backdrop have a different alternative, guys. if you want to shoot outdoors, go out on to a terrace or to a park nearby at 3 to 4 p.m. The light will be quite soft, and it will not have the sunlight directly onto your face, and it will give a quite nice effect onto your face, and then you guys can shoot real cool videos. And talking about the backdrop, you need not have a backdrop because there will be greenery around, and that will get the job done. And if you're using the Redmi Note 7 Pro or latest phones, that's Redmi Note 7 Pro is available for 10,000. Now due to the GST hype, it's for 11,000, and there is a video bokeh mode, so it will focus onto you and you'll get that cool blur effect in the background, so that will also get the job done, guys. So this is what is the budget setup, guys. Meet you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and if you guys have any topic, post them in the comments. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.